Okay, so in this video today, we will go over the forecast dashboard inside the accounts module. The account section includes many tools related to financial activity, such as financial transactions, check cashing, vendor payments, QuickBooks, reports, financial reports, forecasting profit and loss, and other accounting related areas. To open forecasting dashboard, go to the accounts, then click forecast dashboard, or just use the smart search instead. The forecast dashboard gives you a quick overview of your expected numbers for the selected period. It helps you review forecasted totals for areas such as sales, purchases, payrolls, and expenses. At the top, you can use the filter to select a specific month or date range. You can only choose future months because it's forecasting, so you will not be able to apply past months. Once the date is selected, click Apply. After applying the filter, the dashboard will update and show the forecast details for that specific period. For example, if you select the current month, you can review the sales forecast and click View Details to see more information. This section shows the forecasted sales, the sales difference, and comparison details from previous months. You can also review the purchase forecast. This shows purchase order activity completed so far and the forecasted purchase amount for the selected period. The dashboard also allows you to view payroll forecasting. Payroll can be reviewed by department or for all employees, depending on how you want to analyze the information. If you click Forecast List, the system will show more detailed information such as date, employee, department, and other related details along with the total difference. For sales forecasting, you can also open the forecast list to view item information, including items sold, profit, and margin. Each section of the forecast dashboard can be exported as Excel, CSV, or PDF. You can also email the report to yourself if needed. And that is how you use the forecast dashboard inside the module. It's a pretty short and simple module. I hope that covers all. I'll see you guys in our next video.